Hello and welcome. Today we discuss about a new topic known as bond. The picture showing on our screen is a Mr. Daniel Craig, which he play an important role in James Bond series 007. Basically, this story is written by Ian Fleming in 1953. He wrote near about 12 novels regarding British Secret Service. So, wasting without much more time, we are discuss about chemical bonding. So myself, AP Dadi from CSMS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. So before start the chemical bond, we should know what is atom. So atom is nothing but a smallest unit of individual elements. Each and every element contain atom. Atom contain number of electron is exactly equal to the number of proton. Electron vary in amount of energy they possess, and they occupy certain energy level in electron shell. Electron shell determine how an atom behave when encounter other atom. Electrons are placed shell according to rule. There are number of method. So filling of electron in a shell as per the pattern 2n square rule. There are some example. First one is hydrogen, second one is carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. They having electron deficient compound. So carbon required 4 electron, nitrogen required 3 electron and oxygen required 2 electron. Why are electron are important? Basically electron are important fundamental particle of an element or atom. They shows different electronic configuration. These are some example. Chemical bond attainment fill the electron shell, ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond formation between two ion by the transfer of electron. Formation of ion. So ionic compound result when metal react with non-metal. Metal loses electron and non-metal accept electron. So positive ion form when number of electron are less than the number of proton. So first group element contain 1 electron, second metal group contain 2 electron, and third metal 3 electron. For example, sodium, we consider the example sodium. It having atomic number 11, distribution of electron is 281, last shell contain 1 electron. This 1 electron loses by the atom to attain the stable electronic configuration and acquire the positive charge known as sodium ion. Formation of magnesium ion. Similar way, magnesium atomic number is 12, distribution of electron is 282. It donates 2 electron for stability and acquire double positive charge. Similar way, aluminium also showing same. Next one is ionic bond. Between the atom and metal, non-atom vary electronegativity. Bond formed by the transfer of electron. Process charge ion in a state, conduct the having high melting point. Example is NaCl, CaCl2. This is one representation of compound. One is sodium atom and second one is chlorine atom. Sodium donate electron and chlorine accept electron. After donation or acceptation of electron, it carries charge. So Na carries positive charge, we show in figure, and chlorine carries negative charge. When we compare the structure of Na and Cl, Na is having small shape as compared to chlorine. Ionic bond, one big greedy dog and one is small block. So such kind of bond formation take place by ionic bond. So this is simple representation. Where is the transfer of electron? This pink color ball is shifted to ion chlorine atom, and after that it form NaCl. This is actual structure of NaCl. Next one is electrons. Covalent bond between the non-metallic elements. Similar electronegativity formed by the sharing of electron pair. Stable ionic particle does not conduct to any state. Oxygen, nitrogen, these are the gases. So this is a representation of the covalent bond. It is not a permanent type of bond. It is formed for a moment. bond in all the polyatomic atom and diatomic covalent. There are some examples: oxygen and oxygen. In between them, simple double bond is present. This is one example of HF, where the polar molecule oxygen is electronegative than hydrogen, therefore electron pull toward closer. How the metallic bond is formed? There are the metal, they donate electron. This is the electron cloud present around the nucleus. This is a formula. You can easily calculate the molecular weight. This is NaCl at molecular weight 850 and ionic bond. This is the picture. First one is a Boreson, which is a famous character 007, and first one is the first actor Saint Canary. So it's all about my topic.